App sale enable you to add apps you are interested in a watch list so you can be notified whenever they go on sale. It isn't exactly free but still better than the full price. Plus, app sale does occasionally post free apps. Press and hold for 2 or more seconds to get price history and additional information. Freapp is one of my favorite app because every morning I am greeted with another new app for free. It's not always the one you want, but saves me having to look a ton of lists that other sales app have. With any deal program, the offer varies. Some apps won't be eligible for future updates, and some of them free apps probably doesn't cost anything to start with. Nevertheless, the deals just keep coming up, and there are often some real gems in there. Simply install the Google Opinion Reward app, fill in a short survey, and collect your coinage. You are limited to one survey a week, and you don't get always paid for every survey, but you can earn up to $1 per survey. Not bad for a few minutes of your time.